how to move from an IT job to farming. Okay, so this is also a very frequently asked question. I think there are two parts to this question. One is, arriving till farming, quitting your job, and then the farming per se after that. One is leaving that known and coming to the unknown, leaving that comfort zone and pursuing what gives you happiness or satisfaction or an inner reason to do it, and the courage to quit your job and get behind farming. So this is one, and the other is farming knowledge per se. So let me start by answering about farming. So if you are really interested, you are passionate, you want to learn about farming, eventually you will end up knowing all that needs to be known, whether it is soil biology, crops, the market, different crops to be grown. You will eventually learn all about it. But I think the courage, in this question, the courage is about leaving or quitting your job and coming here. What worked for us is when we quit our jobs, we had decided that there will be no going back. There won't be a plan B to this. Whatever it was going to be farming. We were unsustainable for the first 4 years, but we never went back. We had burnt our resumes, we had burnt all bridges, there was no plan B. We were sure that whatever will happen would happen through this. So it could take us a 1 year or a 2 years or a 4 years or a 8 years, but this is where we wanted to be. And I know somewhere because we were interested, because we liked what we were doing, we could see ourselves through that 4 year period. And that's going to be it. But beyond these things, you're not really leaving a job or leaving a career behind. You're actually taking up to something that is more interesting for you. And when you do that, there is no looking back. Even in the first 4 years when things were not working our way, when we used to come to the farm and be at the farm, we used to just love spending our time out here. And we used to forget about the unsustainability that was happening around us. So it's an inward journey and it's very fulfilling. And best of luck. All the wishes for you.